A blinking red light on your Spectrum modem signifies a loss of internet connectivity, indicating an offline or signal problem. This means your modem isn't receiving a proper downstream signal from Spectrum. First, perform a simple power cycle. Unplug the modem from the power outlet for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This often resolves temporary glitches. While it's restarting, check all cable connections to ensure they are secure, paying special attention to the coaxial cable connecting to both the modem and the wall. Look for any signs of damage or fraying on the cable itself, because damaged cables can cause signal issues. You can also check the Spectrum app or website for known outages in your area, as this could be the reason why you have a blinking red light. If the power cycle and cable check don't resolve the blinking red light, try gently pressing the reset button on the back of the modem for about 10 seconds. If the issue persists, it may indicate a deeper problem, such as a faulty modem, firmware issues, or signal degradation beyond what basic troubleshooting can fix. Contact Spectrum support at 1-888-573-8873 or use their online chat for remote diagnostics and potential modem replacement. The Spectrum app also offers AI-powered signal analyzers to help diagnose and fix issues. For the future, Spectrum is working on self-healing modems with AI to predict and resolve issues before they cause service interruptions. By 2027, they predict a 25% drop in user-reported issues through the use of AI-driven diagnostics.